Hello, and this is how to make your first homework assignment for your online science lab book, otherwise known as the wiki. So you go to the 4th grade webpage, which is, if you go to waldronmercy.org, you can go to the quick links and you can click on teacher, class, department websites, click on grade 4. If you haven't already done so, I would highly recommend bookmarking this page because you will be going to this page a lot. Now, to get to the wiki, if you scroll down to my section and you click on the online science lab book wiki link, that will take you here to science-lab.wikispaces.com. This is the online science lab book, and you'll want to sign yourself in. Click on your sign in button and you're going to type in your username, which is with your science copybook or somewhere in your binder that starts with 2020 and then whatever homeroom number you are and the student number that you are in there. Mine is not like that, so I'm just going to type mine in. And you will click sign in. Your password again is located with it. It will be an animal, a number, and a fruit. No spaces, no capitalization. Click sign in. Once you've signed in, you are ready to edit. So the first thing that we're going to go is go to your student work pages. Now, while you're getting to your student work pages, if you have any issue at all signing in or getting onto the internet, see if you have a good internet connection. If you don't have a good internet connection, then the next thing you might want to check is restarting your computer or your device. And after restarts, that still doesn't work, then you may want to check what web browser you're using. Here I'm using Chrome. You can also get there through Firefox. You can also, there are other ones. Windows 10 has a new one called Edge. Windows Internet Explorer, there is one. Apple Safari has one. There's also other ones as well. But you may want to change your web browser if the one that you're using isn't working. Now, I said we're going to click on your student work and you're going to find your name. There are 3 columns separated by section number. So if you're in my section 1, you'll look for your name here. If you're in section 2, you would look for your name here. And if you're in my section 3, you would look for your name here. Now, before you click on your link, you're going to hover over your link, and it's not showing up for me for Firefox. So, yes. I'll show you it on another page. So let's say I'm going to go to my teacher example. This is a homework. Right now it says the page does not exist yet. You can create it by clicking the edit button. So what you're going to do is click the edit button. This is the edit button. Click on edit and it'll give you an edit screen. We're going to edit this wiki or this very quickly, easily editable web page. And tonight's homework, or this homework, is to type in table of contents. Now, you know what I said I was going to have you check to see whether or not, to check for something? You're going to look up in your URL area to make sure that your username is the one that appears up here. Mine is 2020 teacher. Yours will be 2020 whatever homeroom number it is, plus the student number. If your username appears here, then you have clicked on the right link. If your user does not show up there, if it's an incorrect link, go back and try to click on the correct link. If it still doesn't show up, let me know and I will fix that. But if everything looks good, you're going to type in table of contents and you can hit save and you are done. That's it. That's the only homework that you have. Now, if you want, you certainly can edit it. And if you don't like this font that it is in, the table of contents font that I have, you can highlight it and you can click on the style text And you can change the font style. I like Times New Roman. You can change the size of the font. You can change the color of the font. Right? And then this will give you a preview of your text. Right? I'm going to keep mine black though. And then you click on Apply Styles, and you can change that as well. If you want to bold it or italicize it or underline it, then you would just basically highlight everything, click bold and it will bold it, click bold to unbold it, italicize or unitalicize, underline or not underline, etc. to make it your own. But that's not necessary. Just don't forget to save, and so your most recent changes will be saved.